What's up, guys? So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a trail run down to my creek. This is the truck, well, the two trucks that I'm taking, both of my trucks, the SCX-24 and the Stampede 4x4 VXL. Both these, all four of these tires, well, all 8 of the tires are all plugged up with their holes so that I don't get any water in the tires. And I'm just gonna, I have my bike, rode down that trail, and what we have to do is we have to go down there, and then the creek is right over there. Well, there's a hill and then the creek. So we're just gonna get started right now. Here we are, and we're at the creek. I wasn't able to get really any shots coming down because it's very hard, because I forgot my tripod, even though it's just a paint thinner can.
You serious?
Well, I hope you enjoyed my little rig here, and I'm gonna get a shot of it going down here, and then we're gonna get in the water. And with the SCX-24, I'm just gonna go till I need to find some really shallow water. I just want to get to like half of the tire is really the deepest that I would like to go. With my Stampede, I'll go I don't know. I'll go deeper than my SCX, just so you guys know. And I can't, it's super hard with the Traxxas controller to reach with my thumb to do it, to steer it. So I have to use like a big rock, like I said, because I forgot my paint thinner can. With the SCX, it is super easy to drive one-handed, but with the Traxxas one, I'm just a little too short on the fingers. Okay, well, let's get into this shot. I'm super mad at myself right now. So the SCX is in the water a little. Gotta take it out. But these two body clips, both of them, I'm so mad. They were, well, this is how I'm carrying my car. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like the straps on my duffel bag. Like it was the pins were in the back of that truck of my Stampede, like in the bed. I knew where they were the whole time, and I just pick it up. Oh my gosh, I pick it up, I pick the car up and put it on my back, and I go to plug in the battery and everything. I shut the lid. Oh my gosh, where's my pins? And then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm just, ugh. Alright, well, I think I have I know I have replacement pins for my Stampede, but I don't know if those work. I don't see why they wouldn't, but it might be small, like the holes might be smaller. So, yeah, that stinks, but we can still drive. I just hope we don't tip it, which we're not going to because we're going over some really small stuff. Alright, so, sorry. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of it. I know it was a little bit of a short video, but I just wasn't having the greatest day today, like RC wise and luck wise. Lost my 2 pins for that. I guess in general, because I stepped in the water and just soaked my foot. So that wasn't, I'm not very happy about that. So that'll be the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to, you could like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. See you tomorrow.